Welcome to the Involv 4.3 release video. In this release, we've got some exciting features and improvements that will enhance your intranet experience. Let's dive in. Involv Cast Premium. We've taken Involv Cast to the next level with some fantastic features. With our new full-screen template, you can now feature news and events in a dynamic carousel, making your digital signage screen more engaging and informative. But that's not all. Our Involv Cast configurator has undergone significant improvements. It's now more user-friendly and straightforward, making it simpler than ever to create your own TV screen pages with a dynamic builder. Next, let's talk about Intranet Content Subscription. It's all about personalization. Your intranet visitors can easily select and subscribe to specific content types and categories, tailor-making their intranet experience. Now, we've made finding information easier with the FAQ Dropdown Template. No more jumping to another page. Each item can be clicked to expand, offering a more organized and user-friendly experience. With this template, users and administrators can access and create the information they need without leaving the page. Enhanced Involv Welcome Tour. Navigating your intranet is smoother with the enhanced Involv Welcome Tour. You can target more content on your intranet page, making user onboarding a breeze. Enhanced Involv Multilingual V4. Say hello to robust support for SharePoint Multilingual features and seamless page translations. Communication knows no language barriers with Involv Multilingual V4. But wait, there's more. We've also made some improvements to enhance your experience. From customizable incident styles to easier navigation scenarios and a new editing interface for list navigation. We're constantly working to make Involv better for you. That's a wrap on the Involv 4.3 release. We hope you enjoy these new features and improvements, making your intranet experience even better. For a complete overview of all the enhancements we've made, be sure to visit our roadmap. Thank you.